How's it going, everyone? It's Aaron back at it with another Jeep Wrangler video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade to LED taillights. That's factory, that's the aftermarket LED, Sunpie LED taillights. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install resistors and everything, how to get the taillights wired up. So plug and play, you just got to mount up a LED resistor to prevent flickering. So let me go into what you get inside the box and then the tools you'll need, and we'll get right into the installation. Okay, so this is the box that you'll be getting them in. You know, pretty standard box. USA plug if you're in America. You get the Euro plug if you're in the UK or in Europe. These are the taillights. They're LED. You got the assortment of blinker LEDs, running light LEDs, and reverse lights. You got a reflector here, and you got two blinkers. LEDs on the side. You get the plug and play connector and a resistor. Of course, you get two headlights in the box. I have the other one on my Jeep already. And then you get a little kit of mounting plates and these clips. And I couldn't figure out how to use these clips to mount to the inside of the Jeep or onto this metal bracket. You guys can see there's these little black clips. I couldn't figure out how they work, but that's pretty much what you get into the box. Like I said, taillight and some mounting hardware. Now let's get right into tools. Close this up. The only tools you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver, as you guys can see. Phillips head, a 5.5 millimeter socket. That's for mounting the resistors to the mounting bracket, and some duct tape. This is what I'm using. I duct tape the bracket to the inside of the Jeep so it's not getting affected by heat and it's still holding it secure. So let's get right into mounting the resistor to the mounting plate, and we'll start taking the old taillight out of the Wrangler. So to get this resistor mounted up to the plate, you're going to want to grab your resistor and put it into the correct orientation on the bracket like so. You want to put your screws in the holes. Like that and that. And you'll want to flip it over to strut on the nuts. Just a little bit so the screws don't come out. Same with the other one as well. Okay, that's that. Then you want to grab your 5 millimeter socket, or 5.5 millimeter socket. You're going to want to put that onto the bolt, or onto the nut. And you want to just hold that with your finger, grab your Phillips head, and screw that down tight. It's nice and secure onto the bracket. Same thing with the other nut. Put the socket on. You could do this properly with a ratchet and everything, but I just find this to be the easiest way. You're gonna be screwing it on like that, and that's now it's secured. So yeah, let's get right into installing this onto the factory taillight. All you're going to want to do is these two inner Phillips head screws. You're going to want to undo those. They're pretty long screws, so you might be unscrewing them for a little. Or you can just use a drill and make it fast and easy. But that's that. That's one. Grab the second one. It's about to thunderstorm here, so I'm kind of trying to be fast and everything. Rip paint. Okay. Those are the two screws. Put those aside. And to remove the taillight, you're just going to be pushing in towards the Jeep. And just pull it out like that. You could have your connector here. And you're going to push on this little tab. And pull out. like that. This is your factory taillight, removed from the Wrangler. And this is when you want to grab your duct tape, rip off maybe 6 or 8 inches, like that. And that's just what I do, is I just fold it over a little bit just so it's easy to remove once you want to. And you want to put the taillight onto the bumper just so it won't fall. And where I mounted this in mine, I'm actually gonna need to hold it up. But before you put it in, you don't want to stick the duct tape onto the side of the bracket. Resistors on the inside, and there's gonna be a little plate right here on the side. You're just gonna stick it to that. And you're gonna press it down so it's nice and secure. Actually, I want to flip it like this. Put it in like that. Okay, so that's that. You don't want to pull off your plastic protective lens cover, whatever you want to call it. Pull that off, put that aside. You want to plug in your new taillight to the factory connector until you hear a click, like that. And you're just going to put all the wiring back in. You're going to line up the holes with the holes there. Once it's in, you're going to tug back to the outside of the Jeep. And now you can start reinstalling your screws. So just make sure everything is lined up. So that's the one. Grab the other one. That's that. You're just gonna tighten the screws down. Get it pretty tight. Same with the top one. That's that. And that's how they look. I'll cut it to when I put on the lights, turn on the blinkers and everything, and reverse lights so you guys can see. And I'll be right back. That's all the side options. You also can see the side blinker there. So I hope you all have enjoyed. Leave a like if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more Jeep videos, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out.